Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try blue striped polo t-shirt with blue jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try cream t-shirt with blue jeans and cream loafers. Next you can try blue striped shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try beige half sleeve shirt with white pants and beige loafers. Next you can try light green polo t-shirt with white pants and brown loafers. Next you can try blue polo full sleeve t-shirt with sky blue jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try multicolor stripe half sleeve shirt with sky blue jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try teal green polo t-shirt with black jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try grey polo t-shirt with white pants and tan loafers. Next you can try olive green half sleeve t-shirt with white pants and brown loafers. Watch this video to know 35 loafer outfit ideas.